Hi everyone, in this video I will show you best practices for organizing your YouTube TV library. So your YouTube TV library can grow quickly with all your recordings, favorite shows, and movies. So keeping it organized ensures you find out what you want. First, number one, use the plus add to library wisely. Add entire series instead of single episodes so new recordings are saved automatically. Only add shows, movies you plan to watch to avoid a cluttered library. Number two, create profiles for each viewer. Every household member gets their own personalized library, keeps recommendations, recordings, and watch lists separate. Perfect for families to avoid mix ups. Number three, sort by category. YouTube TV automatically separates content into shows, movies, sports, and events. Use these filters to quickly find what you're looking for. Number four, manage your DVD recordings. Since YouTube has unlimited DVD storage, you need to delete recordings but do manage them. Use the most recent or A to Z sort option to find shows faster. Remove shows from your library if you're done with them. Number five, prioritize your watch list. Keep a must watch list by adding shows, movies to your library that you plan to watch soon. Regularly check and trim the list so it stays fresh. Number six, organize sports recordings. Add your favorite teams, leagues, or events instead of single games. YouTube TV will auto record all upcoming games, which you can easily find in your sports tab. And lastly, regularly refresh your library. Once a month, review your library and remove series you finished, clean out event replays you want to watch, keep only current favorites for easy navigation. So basically, this is best practices for organizing your YouTube TV library. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.